The very next slide talks about the same thing that you just mentioned about stereotypes, caged minds. You know, what happens is, as you said, the world is filled with a host of positive and negative stereotypes. You know that. So most of us are familiar with various stereotypes and have even stereotyped ourselves also. Even we have stereotypes about different things, right? So, like how you just said, your the families in India, especially, they have this feeling that psychologist is pagalo ka doctor. ऐसा नहीं होता है. What you have to do is, very first thing, you try to make yourself understand how you think of psychologist in your mind. Okay, so that way what will happen is you are materializing that stereotype in your mind in a very nice point. Okay, because if you are not doing that, it will actually keep threatening you through the others. Okay, so it's definitely important for you to identify yourself with your thought. Okay, that's only then you will be able to influence the society, right? So before that threatens you, you should have that gush of emotions, the thoughts that kind of make you feel why is psychologist or psychology in itself so important, or what makes you feel that it is good. Like, you just asked me this question. I would ask you a question back. When did you feel? This is something that you would have to kind of walk back the memory lane and tell me. When did you feel was psychology a good subject, or why do you feel that psychologists are good people who can help you? It's a question.
Ma'am, I feel psychology is a really great subject because people usually run behind becoming a doctor. So you guys also are a type of doctor. Even if it comes under arts, you guys are type of doctors who actually help people get better. Doctors give medicines, but you guys, without giving them medicines or any such kind of a thing, any such chemical thing, you treat them. So I feel psychology is not a subject just for arts or just to say complete your degree. It is a subject that that once taken forward can make an impact on many people. So I feel psychology is a very great subject.
Thank you, firstly.
Because, sorry, sorry.
Ma'am,
Because
and another thing,
Mhm.
I personally feel like when more than any other doctor, psychologist, whoever they are, they play a very vital role in people's life. Like mentally, when we are fine, now we'll say I have fever or I have health issues, I have mental health issues, and someone comes and tells them you're going to be fine. I'm here for you. They feel better from inside. See, psychologists, they give a lot of help for the people who are dealing with such issues. When we are mentally fine, our body completely cooperates with our mind and we feel better.
Now, the way you have put across your thoughts, like, the way you have introspected your own minds to understand what psychologists do, why you feel that it is, a level up subject, and it's important to have them in the society, right? And why you feel that thing, that you have. What books say is totally different. What people would say is totally different. But what you tell yourself about that particular thing matters. And when you can actually talk about it in this similar way to people around you who matter to you, not everybody again, okay, to people around you, which is your family, if you were able to explain to them in the same way that you told me, they will definitely break that stereotype. They will definitely understand that psychologist is not somebody who's pagal of a doctor. It is somebody who will actually help us also with our thinking. Okay, so to break any stereotype, guys, like for example, there are stereotypes. I'm telling you about something which is very common. Have you ever seen little babies? Babies, when a baby is born in somebody's house, if there is a baby girl born, which color do they choose first?
Pink. Right.
If it's a baby boy,
Blue.
why? That's a stereotype. If you go and get a blue color for a baby girl, and if you tell them that, you know what, actually, this is your thinking, but the baby might like this because the baby is choosing this color over the other, give them the proof, show them the proof, the stereotype will break. It's just that we let them think that way. Yeah, in the beginning, you will definitely have problems in breaking a stereotype because that is the thought, it's the mentality that cannot change. But if you are able to do it in a certain way with command, have the self confidence in you, and then portray it to the others, people will surely listen to you. Okay. Even in family, I never say go fight for yourself. Within family, speak for yourself, voice it out, listen to them, and then try to give them the example, like how I did with you just now. You asked me a question, I asked you a question back, right? If you do that at home, they will scold you. Say question पूछोगी अभी, that is how it will come back to you. But try to do it once or twice. Try to do it until and unless that issue is given a proper clarity, because you have to stay with them forever. And it is very important for you to have your wavelengths matching with them or theirs to match with you, right? So, and the wavelength is also not wrong, right? What you're thinking is right. So, why not just influence? If they want their thoughts to be influenced onto you, why not you also have your good thoughts also influenced onto them? Because it's not anything wrong, right? So try doing that. And I would say try to break the stereotypes only for people who you care or who care about you. If it is somebody outside, ignore them. There is one thing that I believe in, guys. Only people who feel inferior to you are the ones who will lay conditions to you. So if somebody is telling you that, you're trying to do this is something that is only good for those people to do. For example, there was this guy from my college who wanted to buy a BMW by selling off his farming land, which he did. And eventually, when he got his car to the college, people were like, he's a farmer's son. What would he even do with the car? He was so embarrassed. I don't know why. He earned it. He has the money. He bought it. Instead of actually showing off or to like give them good, he actually kind of went and sold the car back. So that is something which shouldn't have happened, right? This is a very simple example that I kind of suddenly remembered of and I shared with you. If you think about it, there might have been many examples in your life. If that had been handled in a certain way, if you had ignored them, if you had not really thought about them, or if you had just responded to them in a little different way, it could have resolved a very huge disparity which you are dealing with even until now, right? So do not focus or spend your energies on dealing with things or with people who have issues with you. Only try to break the shell and spread knowledge to people who will understand you. Okay? Understood? So, stereotypes, break open the cage, go to the next slide, you will know how it feels like.